Yeah, friend, I wish you always remember that without sin, there wouldn't be the triumph of grace. We appreciate grace because we know the ravages of sin. The joy of Easter morning is celebrated in the heart of the redeemed. They witness the brokenness of Good Friday, then they can celebrate the victory of Easter. So, in God's plans, I tell you, a fall is followed by yet another opportunity. This is complete opposite of the evil of the world. Evil has no power over this. Thanks be to God who has given us the victory in Christ. God love you. God bless you. If you've been inspired, please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.